Oh, good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel, Motorhoming Fun. As you know, we're currently at Filey, Centenary Way Caravan and Camping Park, and we're heading out this afternoon. First day here guys, and we're going to go out the site and we're just going to go and have a little bit of playtime with Skye down the beach guys. So come with us on our walk, a little bit of playtime. Do remember to send us a comment, give us a like and maybe subscribe to the channel guys. So we'll see you shortly. Right, so we're heading out the site, small front gate, and we're going to take a left hand turn. If we can get the gate open. Right, so we're going to follow the path down past the golf club on the right hand side. Now there is a little turn on my left here guys, and that will take you through an adjacent static caravan site, and that is a little bit of a shortcut into town, and you go over a little railway crossing guys, so we'll probably take you that way on another day. So as I say, just down here, and we're fortunate today it's not too muddy. Other times I've been here, this little track has been a little bit on the muddy side. So we're about 100 yards down this track now, and we go over the railway bridge, and you've got the golf course, as I say, on the right hand side shortly. Just a quick update guys, internet is pretty good on my phones. We're getting 5G signal with good upload and download speeds, and not so good on the Smartie. It seems pretty non-existent, although we did have a signal when we first got here, but unfortunately not anymore. So we have managed to download a couple of videos via our phone, so we're okay for another vlog tomorrow. So that is Filey Golf Club on the right hand side. That's probably about 200 yards from the campsite entrance. Right, and shortly after that we're going to go a left over this little grassy section to the end, and it'll drop down on the beach. So the beach is probably 5 minutes away. Right, we now come to the end of the little green area, and we're going to drop down towards the beach. Right, so down we go. As I say, beach is probably 10 minutes from the campsite, no more. Down this little path, little bit of a woodland area, so it's a nice walk. I think Skye's on a mission. I think she knows where she's going again. As I say, she don't forget nothing, my Skye. Right, we can see the sea. High tide today is officially 3:37 this afternoon. We're currently 2:10 in the afternoon. Very windy and blustery down here, so I think it's zero chance of getting the drone up. Right, looks like we can walk on the back end of the beach. Right, we've got to watch this water coming in or else we'll get stranded. Well, I don't think we will, but we will keep our eye on it. We'll probably go for about half a mile and then come back on ourselves. So The main part of Filey is back the other way, everybody. Well, as you can see, no sunshine, dull, overcast, a little bit of fine drizzle in the air. Only to think yesterday at Whitby Abbey we were blessed with blue skies and sunshine. No 2 days are alike. Oh well, we got a happy girl anyway.
Misty blue sky.
Watch we don't get wet feet as well.
Take me on your treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose. After years with the blues. Oh, you know about them ice and love.
We normally walk this way to the white
Is what I need.
luxury house, but I don't think we're going to go that far today.
Bring me up to full speed.
I think it'll just be a brief walk.
Shades of blue holds
Do it.
feather wings.
I'm sorry if you're getting any wind noise or rain on the lens. As I say, it's just very fine drizzle or sea spray, more like. Can't remember if there's any pillboxes on this beach or not. I've got a funny feeling I'm probably thinking about Bridlington, but we'll come back this way tomorrow or Thursday, have a good look, walk along. Maybe looks like we've got to do possibly the beach in the mornings, so we're at low tide, although high tide does get later every day. I think this is what they call bleak Filey. Although the next few days it is going to warm up, they say. Could be about 18 degrees here tomorrow and Thursday. It's about 10 degrees today. A little look back. Those waves aren't so big as Whitby today, but right, looks like more people are walking back this way, trying to get off the beach and go this way. As you can see, it's creeping up the water slowly. Oh, that was a rubbish throw.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away,
Come on,
show
this way.
us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Right, we're going to turn back soon. Just go a little bit further.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter
Right,
comes?
almost at turn back point, I think.
Until winter comes. Until winter
You can keep going this way, guys. We have veered off to the right
makes me wonder.
and gone through the old Butlins campsite, which is now a static caravan park. I think it's called Primrose Valley or something, or Haven. But we have done the reverse route of that before. Right,
Stars come to shine
we're heading back.
when it's dark from so far away. Show us where
Back
we
for a
are.
coffee and a muffin, I think.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. I just wonder. It really makes me wonder.
Right, I think we've done a good half a mile, if not more. So
Yeah, I wonder.
been a little bit of a stretch our legs.
Makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
Nice to just be out. We would have been home today after Whitby, but as you know, we decided to have a few more extra days away. Looks like Thursday, looking at the weather app. That'll be Thursday the 17th. As I say, this will come out after we got home. Yeah, Thursday looks a good day for drone flying. Last time I was here, we didn't do an awful lot of flying, and I was quite inexperienced with the drone then, but 2 years later, we're doing a little bit more, as you know. As I say, it's coming in ever closer now. I think another hour it will be full tide, and I think you'll be scrambling up that hills on those, certainly on those pebbly bits to walk.
The sea is coming. I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails.
Any of my subscribers been to Filey before? It's a bit of a old-fashioned English seaside town, and very quiet. So I think it's our third time in the motorhome now, although I have visited before.
We are dreamers of the shore.
think we're all rushing to get back now. I think I might have some wet feet when I get back. Looks like the slipway where we come down is closing in with water. We're trying to get there as quick as possible, or else we'll be scrambling at the bank.
This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore.
Well, who said it was a good idea to come down the beach?
Just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt,
Oh, I think this is the quickest I'm walking all holiday at the moment. Poorly foot or not poorly foot. Right, we're getting there. I'm hoping we can keep dry feet. Well, those waves are rolling in. And that slipway is getting shorter and shorter. I think we might just about make it. Otherwise we're going to be scrambling on the rocks on the hillside. Right. This is how close we are from almost getting marooned. As I say, we could go up that banking, but as I say, I don't know where it leads to. But this slipway is definitely receding. I think we just got to wait for a gap. Right. Right. Getting close. Up, Skye. Up. She's up. I've got to get up. Right. Well, look how close we were. Another 5 minutes. Get the ball, Skye, the ball. Right. I definitely think we pushed our luck there, everybody. I think we made that with a minute or two to spare. Right, quick look over from the top. And can you see further along? I am glad we turned back when we did. And not even calm seas neither. We won't be doing that in the next few days again. Right, I think that's it, guys. Right, we're going to conclude that walk there, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. I was getting a bit panicky towards the end there and that, so we'll see you tomorrow. We'll do a little walk around Filey, probably up to Filey Brig and that, all weather permitting. As I say, we have got this ex-hurricane from America coming in, which is going to make it really windy and might be a wet start. But thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you all later. Bye for now.